Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making chicken pakora. There's lots of ways how to cook this. People have their own style. This is what we do in the restaurant. This works for us and it's really tasty. So what you're going to need is half a breast of chicken tikka. You're going to cut that up. 1 egg, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of our desi style spice, which is mixed powder. 1 to 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. It doesn't matter if you've got more, just going to coat it in breadcrumbs, and enough oil to deep fry it. So if you've got a little pot, just enough oil to deep fry it. Anything pre-cooked here, so you've got the chicken tikka, it's pre-cooked. If you're unsure how to do that, there is a description box below which will have the link into how to make that. Thanks for viewing. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, like, ask me any questions. There's been a lot of people asking me a lot of questions, and I've helped a lot of people with some tips. I hope it's made a difference to their cooking. So let's get cooking. Okay, so we're ready to make our pakora. What we're going to need is a breasted chicken. You just want to cut that up in little, very fine, fine pieces. You're going over there. So this is pre-cooked chicken tikka, by the way. So you grab an egg, crack open the egg. So you beat it with a fork. Then you add your chicken tikka. Then you've got a pinch of salt. Don't want to put too much salt in because the chicken tikka's already got salt in it anyway. So you don't want to overpower it. And you've got about a couple of teaspoons of our desi style mixed powder. That will give you good flavour in the pakora. So you want to just kind of mix that along a little bit. Then you have about a cup of your breadcrumb. Roughly, I mean, it needs to just kind of fill it up and dry it up a little bit. Okay, so what you want to do is just break up the chicken a bit more, massage it in. It should be fairly all right to stick. If you find it's not sticking, put another egg in. You might have put too much breadcrumbs in there. So what you want to do is you want to grab a board, and what you want to do, gently massage it. Don't push it too hard because it won't cook. You just want to get the shape, round shape. So got the shape, then the oil will travel inside and cook the inside. Now you can give it another extra coat as well. Yeah, so just do 4, you can do 5, it's entirely up to you. I've shown you how to make for about 4. Got a slight little bit left over. And that's it, your stage 1 preparation's done. So your pakoras are ready now to just put in the oil. Just try and leave a little gap. You know, squeeze it so the oil gets right in. So you want to give it a good time. Make sure the inside is cooked. That's the most important. Even take it out maybe halfway and just crack it a little bit so the oil seeps inside and cooks the inside of the pakora. Again, this is why we didn't tightly squeeze it. Okay, so it's gone quite goldeny now, as you can see, and that's pretty much done. Check the inside is done. You can even split one open just to make sure. But I know that's done now. And there you have it, chicken pakora.